Hey guys, so today I wanted to do like a baddie alien inspired look. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but that's what we're gonna do today. I got this inspiration from the Snapchat filter. It's like an alien kind of like LSD kind of looking thing, and I thought it would be perfect to do like a cute little look inspired by that. So I already have like a base on my face, kind of. I have foundation on. I'm gonna go straight in and get started with my concealer. So I have like super long nails right now, so hopefully I don't poke myself in the eye. I wanted to do like maybe a very dark cut crease with a little bit of green. That's gonna get the alien-esque out of it. So I have two palettes here. I have the Zoeva Smoky palette, and I also have the Sleek palette here. This is in the color, I don't know, Original 594. So the palette looks like this, and I'm gonna be using maybe 5 colors out of this palette. The green, of course. This one, it's like a green blue, and then you have a blue, and then you have a dark blue, and then you have a black all the way over here. So that's what I'm gonna be using. And I'm also going to be using this palette here. I might use the black out of here, depending on which black is the which black is blacker. And I'm also going to be using this light brown here. So I'm just going to take this concealer here. I think this is yellow. No, this is pure beige. So I'm just going to take this concealer, put it all over my lid, blend it out. Before I go any further with the eyeshadow, I'm going to put some more foundation on my skin just to make it more full coverage. I don't have my foundation brush, so this is how I'm going to blend out my foundation. I think it's okay. Up top. Going into eyeshadow, we're gonna start with the black. I'm gonna take this black out of the Sleek palette, and I mean the tiniest a bit so I can see, you know, how much I need to blend. And because I'm not starting off with like a transition color, I'm going straight in with that black and maybe use a transition color like brown to blend it out later. But I'm gonna start right with the black. Oh yeah, this is very pigmented. So I'm just going to, wow, this is so pigmented. I barely got anything on my brush and it's so black on my eye already. It's kind of scary. I'm gonna try to blend this out as best as I can. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of gray. So that's what I want. I don't want it exactly black right now. I just want it gray. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit more. I mean a little bit, and I'm gonna put some more down. I'm telling you guys, I literally got just the smallest amount. I said, and it's like, oh, you guys probably don't. I did that, and there's so much black that came on the brush. It's insanely how pigmented this is. So really, if you're looking for eyeshadows or an eyeshadow palette that has some colors in it, some good colors, cheap, pigmented, I would go for the Sleek Sleek makeup. These are so inexpensive and great quality, I'm telling you guys. When I discovered these palettes, I really fell in love with them, so I suggest you go to their website and, you know, give them a try. And I'm actually going to take some more black, and then I'm just going to kind of place it into my crease. And then later on I'm going to blend it out with a different, like a fluffy brush, that brush I just used. That way I don't have like a, you know, a darker black all over my lid. I could actually start blending it now with a small brush, just a tad, just to kind of get it started. Alright, now I'm back in with this brush and just blend it out. Alright, what I'm going to do is apply some concealer. What we are doing is creating a cut crease. And this is going to be like one of those like moon cut creases. I don't know if you've seen them like on Instagram or something, but if you haven't, I'm going to be showing you that today. But I'm not going to cut it all the way. I'm just going to do like to look up. Just basically make a circle. And it gives this like really cool effect. I'm just going to outline the cut crease with black just to make it pop a little bit more. I'm going to do that with a little small fluff brush. I had a client book me this yesterday, which was Saturday, and I booked her for 2:30. This bitch didn't call me, hit me up or anything until 4 o'clock the same day. Like, come on, what do you think this is? Do you think this is just like a personal, do you think I'm your personal makeup artist? Do you think I don't have other clients? Do you think I run out your time? So her issue was that something about her car was broken down or something. Okay. And she was like, she couldn't call me, whatever. I told her that I couldn't take her. There's no way that I can take her appointment. First of all, I had clients at 4 o'clock, so there's no way I could have taken her. And second, what does she think I am? Her personal makeup artist? There's no way I would even do that if I didn't have clients. Like, I don't know what she thought I was. And she does it like, because I've done her makeup twice, and she is late every single time. Like, I'm not on a schedule or something. It's just really annoying how she just thought that she could, you know, call me at that time, even if your car was whatever. And it's funny because she was like, I'm coming now. Like, girl, no, you're not. You're gonna stay where you are because I can't take you. So I'm just gonna take like that lighter green. It's the only green that I have, and well, in this palette. And I'm gonna take like a flat brush. I'm gonna take that darker green here. Now it's a little too light. That dark blue in the palette. Now it's a little bit better. So what I'm doing is pulling it right here in the inner corner. I'm putting it also on the outer corner, but I'm not putting it in the middle. I'm just blending it towards the middle to create like a halo effect, kind of. It's just going to give me a lot of dimensions in that little circle. So I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and I have this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's in the color black. I think it's about $2 now, $3. I don't know. They raised their prices a little bit, but it's really cheap. You can get it from Walmart online. I'm just going to create, should I do a wing today? Oh, looks like I'm already doing it. I'm going to do a wing. So I just use like a fluffy brush. This is from Sedona. It says whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to use this to contour my face. Right here. Just brings me some color on my face. You can do this before you highlight, or you can do it after. I really don't, it really doesn't matter. I like to do it before just to, I don't know, sometimes I do it after, so it doesn't really matter actually. Alright, now I'm just going to take this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in High Definition. I'm just going to put that under my eyes, of course. I'm going to blend out the rest with this small brush here. So I'm just going to take this highlighter. I never use this on camera, so it's pretty new to you guys. So this is the Manizer Sisters, aka the Luminizers, and it's so cute. I love this. This is by The Balm. I love their ideas and palettes. It's so cute. So they have the like little cute sisters here, and each of them have a name. This is Mary Lou, this is Cindy Lou, and this is Betty Lou. And if you open it, they have the individual highlighters here. So I think I'm going to use Mary Lou on my cheekbones. Oop, I dented it. This is a very, very subtle highlight, which was what I like about this. Actually, this is extremely subtle. Like, it's extremely subtle. Not bad, though. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to do like a cute ombre brown look with some gloss. Something very natural. Just because this eye look is like really over the top for me. So I don't want it to go too overboard. Because you can wear this in the daytime or out if you want. So I'm going to line my lips with this brown liner. Alright guys, so that is all for this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's so cute, so dramatic, so baddie, so alien-esque, so babelicious. I just love it. So yeah guys, if you like this look, if you like this video, give me a like down below. Put in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in a later video. Bye.